Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am trying to extend my apartment place's free Wi-Fi that they have in the lobby all the way down into my garage, because I'm sitting there. I have an apartment and I'm way up on the 6th floor. My internet's not getting down there, but I want to update my Tesla and I can't get the connection going. So I got one of these here so I can kind of glom on to my apartment site's free Wi-Fi that they have and give it a stronger signal so it'll reach down there. I can almost get it. I can get it like standing outside of my garage, but not in it. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. I'll show you guys how it works here. It says Wi-Fi 5, and so it's gonna plug into the wall just directly like that. I mean, well, these antennas are gonna go up, but it'll plug in. I don't know if you guys need to see me plugging it in, but then I'm gonna go plug it in, and then I'm gonna show you guys, I'll show you guys whatever it comes with here. I guess it has just, I don't know, nothing information in here. I guess just the phone setup. So I can set up the app for it and everything, and then I'll set it up as a Wi-Fi extender and give it a go. So I'm gonna go down into the lobby and set it up, or actually I'll set it up here so you guys can see what it looks like here on my computer, and then we'll work our way down. Okay, I couldn't figure out any app. I got it installed, and then I went and found the Wi-Fi and connected to it, and here we are at our settings here. So I can do Wi-Fi extended mode or AP access point mode here. So we're just gonna go ahead and, as soon as I connected up to the Wi-Fi, it did this. There's no app. So I just do next, and then it says select scanning available networks. So then it should come up with my list of networks. There's probably a million of them here. Yeah, I'll just pick mine here. Sorry, I can't show you. So there, now it says connecting, and now it's gonna set it up as an extender. It's probably gonna keep the same settings here. So yep, so there we are. So now it set it up itself as a Wi-Fi extender. So how easy was that? So it set it up with just the same user, the same, SSID and everything, and I gave it the information. So let's see if I go to Wi-Fi. I'm on it now, so yeah. So I'm sad. It does still list the old one, but it's not connecting to it anymore because it's not there, because it changed its name to the new one. So it was so simple, so super easy. And so we're gonna go set this up downstairs in our secret place and see if we can get it going. Super cool, awesome, thumbs up, very cool.